Hello students, my name is Arvind Rai from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Today, in this video, we are going to cover up our second chapter, that is movements of the earth. Okay, movements of the earth. We will discuss about what are the main two movements of earth and what are their effects. Students, this video is for class 5th students. Okay, so see on your page number 9 in your book of social studies, on page number 9 it is given at the top left corner what are the learning outcomes of this chapter. What are the learning outcomes? Okay, what are the learning outcomes? What does it means? Learning outcomes means that after the completion of this chapter, you will be able to describe all the points which is given under this heading. Okay, so what it is given? Describe the two movements of the earth and explain their effects. Describe the two movements of the earth and describe the two movements of the earth and its effects. Okay, what is the learning outcome of this chapter? Describe the two movements of the earth and its effects. Okay, now at the bottom of this page one more thing is given: higher order thinking skill. Okay, the earth is rotating at a speed of about 2200 kilometers per hour, but we cannot feel the earth move. Okay, why is it so? Are you getting my point? The speed of the speed of the rotation of the earth is 2200 kilometers per hour, but we are not able to feel the earth move. Why is it so? This we are going to cover in this chapter, and what are the main two effects of its movements. Okay, now turn to page number 10. Okay, on page number 10, when we are starting from the paragraph, what it is written: Nikki strolled along the beach thinking about what their social studies teacher had taught them in class that day. Okay, for finding the answers of these questions, what are the two movements of the earth and its effects are, Nikki, okay, Nikki moved to the beach for finding the answers of this question. What her social studies teacher taught her in class. She had said that the earth is constantly spinning like a top and that is also moving at great speed around the sun. Okay, what her teacher has taught, that earth's rotation speed is very much high, that is 2200 kilometers per hour, and spinning fast as a top. Okay, and how is this possible, wondered Nikki. Nikki was wondering that how it is possible that earth is rotating or earth is spinning so speedily and we are not able to feel the movement. After that, here is a picture given on this page, page number 10. I can show you the image. Okay, this type of image. Okay, Nikki is along with her grandfather and asking some questions regarding the movement of the earth. Okay, so what the conversation is being done between them, that I am going to define you. Okay, what she is saying, tha, okay, tha means grandfather. Okay, tha is the earth really moving all the time? If it is, then how come I cannot feel it? What she is asking, that dear grandfather, is it really that earth is moving so fast and we are not able to feel that movement? But how do we know that the earth is actually moving? Okay, what she is asking, that but how do we know, हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि अर्थ जो है एक्चुअली में मूव कर रहा है, मूवमेंट कर रहा है. ठीक है, so what her grandfather says, we cannot feel the earth spin because the earth is moving at a steady rate and we are all moving with it. Okay, what her grandfather replies, he said that earth is moving at a steady rate. Steady means वो लगातार एक ही स्पीड पर रोटेट किए जा रहा है और उसके साथ साथ हम भी मूवमेंट कर रहे हैं. ओके, दैट इज वाई वी आर नॉट फीलिंग द मूवमेंट. ओके, हाउ वी विल फील द मूवमेंट व्हेन अर्थ, ओके, it is written, we will feel the earth's movement if its speed suddenly increases or decreases. Okay, how we will feel the movement? When earth suddenly increases its speed or suddenly decreases its speed. Okay, हम उसके मूवमेंट को कैसे समझेंगे? अभी तो वो एक समान स्पीड पे वो लगातार स्पिन कर रहा है, रोटेट कर रहा है, लेकिन अचानक से अगर उसकी स्पीड बढ़ जाए या अचानक से धीमी पड़ जाए, ठीक है, देन वी आर गोइंग टू फील द मूवमेंट. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं आप लोगों को एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ. सपोज करिए आप लोग बाइक पर या किसी गाड़ी में या बस में जब सफ़र करते हैं, व्हेन यू ऑल आर मूविंग विथ एन ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, जब आप किसी गाड़ी पर बैठ के मूवमेंट कर रहे होते हैं, ओके, जब वो एक नॉर्मल स्पीड पे चलती है तो आपको इतना एहसास नहीं होगा. बट सडनली इफ ड्राइवर इंक्रीजेस द स्पीड, सडनली अचानक से अगर ड्राइवर उस गाड़ी की स्पीड अचानक से तेज कर देता है तो हम झटके से पीछे चले जाते हैं. ठीक है, और अचानक से अगर वो ब्रेक लगा देता है तो हम झटके से आगे की तरफ गिर जाते हैं. सो this is the actual thing with the earth. We are moving with the earth constantly at a steady rate. एक नॉर्मल स्पीड पर, एक बराबर स्पीड पर हम लगातार अर्थ के साथ घूम रहे हैं. अगर अर्थ अचानक से रुक जाए या बहुत तेज चक्कर लगाने लगे तो हमें उसके मूवमेंट का पता चलेगा. ठीक है, आ रही बात समझ में? आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड? सो दिस was the answer what her grandfather, Nikki's grandfather, replied to her. One more thing he said, look at the sun, each day it appears to move across the sky. Okay, each day the sun appears to move across the sky from the east to the west. This is because the earth is spinning all the time. Okay, what her grandfather said, that look at the sun, he moves across the sky from east to west. This is due to because movement of the earth. Okay, the earth along with all the other heavenly bodies is constantly moving. The two main movements of the earth are rotation and revolution. Okay, what are the two main movements of the earth? Two main movements of the earth. Okay, what are the two main movements of the earth? Rotation. First one is rotation and second one is revolution. Okay, first one is rotation, second one is revolution. What is the difference between rotation and revolution? I will explain it afterwards. Okay, now these movements have an important impact on life on earth. Let us understand the difference between these two motions and how they affect our lives. Okay, we are having some major effects we can say on life of living organisms on earth, okay, due to its movements. Its two main movements, that is rotation and revolution. Okay, I am going to describe the rotation and revolution with the help of an image. Okay, now students, see this image. Okay, this is our earth. Okay, this is our earth. Okay, this is sun. Okay, this is sun and this is earth. This movement on its own axis. Okay, suppose earth is rotating on its own axis. Own axis means on its own place. Okay, अपने पर्टिकुलर प्लेस पे, अपने पर्टिकुलर एक्सिस पे वो रोटेट कर रही है, ठीक है, अपनी जगह पर घूम रही है. ओके, सो दिस टाइप ऑफ मूवमेंट इज कॉल्ड रोटेशन. ओके, when earth is rotating on its own axis, okay, so this type of movement is called rotation. And if earth is moving around the sun, okay, if this earth is moving around, okay, this is sun and earth is taking a round, okay, moving around the sun, उसके चारों तरफ जब चक्कर लगाएगी या चारों तरफ मूवमेंट करेगी सन के, देन दिस टाइप ऑफ मूवमेंट इज कॉल्ड रिवॉल्यूशन. ठीक है, जब धरती सूर्य के चारों तरफ चक्कर लगाएगी तो इस मूवमेंट को रिवॉल्यूशन बोलेंगे, और जब धरती अपने पॉइंट पर, अपने एक्सिस पर वही घूमती रहेगी उसको रोटेशन बोलेंगे. Got it? Okay. Now, after this, we are going to cover the next part. Okay, we are going to learn in detail what is rotation, what is revolution, and what are the effects. Okay, how they affect and what are their effects on life of the living organisms on the earth. Okay, till then you are going to revise all the points what we had discussed in this video, and you are going to learn it and revise it again and again for your better vocabulary. Okay, till then, thank you so much. We'll meet again in our next video. Till then, bye bye.